take two. I'm going to make this one very short because the other one I just did is like 8 minutes and several seconds. Under the wings 80 at left, under the wings 81 at right. Morton Goldstein, American GI, captured at the Battle of the Bulge, was murdered by a Nazi sergeant, I believe, at the Berga, a division of the Nazis' Buchenwald concentration death camp, where they targeted for murder prisoners of war who either had Jewish names, first name or surname or both, or who looked Jewish. And I've addressed Trump's horrific, perverse, obscene, not only hatred of Christianity, but virulent anti-Semitism with his remarks about that Hitler did some good things and that Trump admires Third Reich military generals who perpetrated the Holocaust for their devotion to Hitler. Allegorical sea monsters and Blech exclamation Trump in the this fiery train tracks, which I thought of on looking at this drawing I did some years ago in Seattle of train tracks in Seattle, because I visited the Auschwitz death camp, Birkenau death camps complex in 1984 and in 1985. And this from a portion of a lino cut I did about the late Italian Jewish chemist, slave labor survivor at a camp at Auschwitz, and acclaimed post-World War II author, writer, Primo Levi. Okay, on the right here, Pafar, which is German, pastor, Paul Schneider, born 1897, was murdered at the Buchenwald itself in 1939. An allegorical, a Trump, like allegorical sea monster all around there. He was, Schneider was a member of the anti-Nazi Confessing Church. And at right, a drawing I did in December 1974 of a sculpture by Ernest Borlaug, a German artist. And he was born in 1870. He died in 1938. And he became anti-war after fighting as a soldier in World War I. Did a lot of anti-war sculptures. His art was considered to be degenerate, and many of his artworks were seized by the Nazis and destroyed, hundreds. All right, there you have an evangelical Protestant pastor murdered by the Nazis, and Trump likes the Nazis, and Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg continues to block me from using 7 pages I administered for years, which are still posted. And as such, Mr. Zuckerberg is himself, while he's Jewish, he's an anti-Semite, a strong supporter of Trump and Trump's pro-Nazi, pro-Hitler, pro-Third Reich views, and just perversity on part of Mr. Zuckerberg. All right, and I'll also quickly mention, we're at 4 minutes here, this Sunday will be April 19th, I think the 83rd anniversary of the start of the Warsaw Ghetto Uprising, April 19th, 1943. All right, there you have it.